Welcome to Robodemy. We are building the finest robotics academy. Here, the future truly starts. We're on a mission to empower the next generation with practical skills in robotics, AI, and innovation, preparing them for the challenges of Industry 4.0. As a tech-driven education platform, Robodemy combines hands-on learning with cutting-edge tools to build a smarter, more capable workforce for tomorrow. I'm Professor Shahinur Soban, founder and CEO of Robodemy. I am inviting you to discover how we're shaping a tech-savvy Bangladesh. Across the globe, and especially in Bangladesh, there's a growing education gap in STEM and robotics. 38% of our youth face unemployment, not because they lack potential, but because they lack employable tech skills. Traditional education systems are falling behind. Practical, industry relevant, and AI enabled can be missing, ranging from classrooms from primary school to university. The rise of Industry 4.0 demands a workforce equipped for automation and intelligent systems, but we're not training them fast enough. Meanwhile, global demand is soaring, especially in the MENA region, yet the talent pipeline is unprepared. At Robodemy, we see this not as a crisis, but as a call to action. At Robodemy, our vision reaches far beyond borders. We're building the largest youth-led robotics and AI learning ecosystem across South Asia and the MENA region, empowering millions with future-ready skills. This vision is rooted in 5 pillars: ensuring access for all, equipping youth with skills that make a real impact, fostering a culture of innovation, developing scalable infrastructure, and earning global recognition. Together, these elements are driving digital transformation toward a smarter, more sustainable future. The demand for robotics and STEM education is massive. In Bangladesh alone, over 29 million students represent a huge local market. Across South Asia, this represents a $12 billion opportunity. Globally, the robotics education market is projected to reach $372 billion by 2034. And with MENA governments investing heavily in edtech, the time to scale is now. Robodemy operates through a powerful multi-channel revenue model. We serve schools and universities with lab setups, kits, and curriculum under B2B. B2C offers subscription-based LMS access and direct training programs for students. We also engage with CSR partners and government agencies through grants and strategic alliances. Through our international and local franchising network and our franchise model licenses, Robodemy Labs and educational institutions. Each stream strengthens our impact and sustainability. At Robodemy, we offer more than just robotics kits. Our platform includes 200 plus custom capable kits, a multilingual AI-backed LMS, and scalable training labs for any institution size. We also organize national STEM competitions, hackathons, and WRO training, creating an ecosystem of hands-on learning and real-world innovation. At Robodemy, we proudly innovate from Bangladesh. We design and manufacture custom STEM kits locally, tailored for real learning. Our kits are fun, safe, and of highest educational certification. We offer DIY training boxes for home use, and our growing online platform already serves over 1,000 students. Every product is built to empower. We provide lab setup, teacher training, and curriculum integration. With online and offline delivery, we ensure inclusive access for both urban and rural learners, guided by expert mentorship and real-world tech exposure. At Robodemy, learning doesn't stop at the lab, it comes to life. From drones and robotic arms to solar trackers and AI bots, our students build real-world solutions. Each project reflects creativity, critical thinking, and hands-on mastery, preparing learners to innovate beyond the classroom. Our students aren't just building projects, they're building impact. RoboSense uses AI for intelligent attendance tracking. Robodemy LMS offers skill-focused robotics and AI courses online. Our lab setup solutions are locally manufactured, showcases healthcare innovation. These solutions prove how lab learning becomes real-world transformation. Robodemy is not just a vision, it's a proven movement. We've reached over 5,000 students through both online and offline programs, hosted 30 plus workshops across Bangladesh, and submitted 20 plus institutional proposals. We're recognized by the ICT Division's IDEA project, have MOUs with leading schools and universities, and proudly mentor WRO Bangladesh teams. The momentum is real and growing. Robodemy is proudly backed by national institutions like IDEA Project under Bangladesh Computer Council and the ICT Division. We have proudly presented Robodemy in the STEM Course for Students program organized by IDEA. This recognition strengthens our credibility and fuels nationwide expansion from Dhumketu X, WRO Bangladesh, and schools like Sir John Wilson, academia, and BISC to top universities like IUUC, Stanford, Notre Dame, and MIST. These partnerships fuel our mission to scale, innovate, and transform education nationwide. Our roadmap is bold and strategic. In Bangladesh, we're targeting 100 plus private schools and rural LMS adoption. Internationally, we're targeting MENA region with an Arabic LMS, focusing in UAE, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia. Through digital campaigns, events, and partnerships, we're scaling with purpose. Robodemy is led by a passionate team with deep expertise. Professor Mohammed Soban, founder and visionary leader. Fazle Elahi Tanmoy, an award-winning robotics engineer. Shamil Noshad Noman, our creative CMO and STEM trainer. And Sabir Al-Shafi, our lead trainer, bringing AI and robotics to life. Together, they drive Robodemy's mission forward. Our vision is to build South Asia and MENA's largest youth robotics training ecosystem, future-ready and inclusive. We align with global SDGs, promoting quality education, gender equality, and innovation. Through rural mobile labs and women-led cohorts, we're creating an Industry 4.0 ready workforce and advancing national innovation capacity. Our 3-year forecast shows strong growth ahead. By 2027, we project $6 million in revenue with $4 million in profit and a 65% margin. With ample cash expected in just 18 to 24 months, Robodemy is on a fast track to scale with sustainability. We're raising $1 million in seed funding. Funds will power lab expansions, LMS and kit upgrades, R&D, marketing, and hiring. We're offering 20 to 25% equity for lead investors, 10 to 15% for angels, with a projected 10 times return in just 48 months. Together, we can shape the future of robotics and education in Bangladesh and beyond. Join us, partner, invest, or collaborate, and be part of this transformation. Reach out today. Let's build our future together.